Welcome back to my channel Lively English Content. Today's video is all about how to make rice water in the best way for hair health. If you want longer, shiner and stronger hair, then keep watching because rice water is a simple, natural and powerful remedy for your hair. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make rice water the right way, why soaking rice overnight is very important, and what amazing benefits rice water gives to you. Note down that you have to take brown rice without polish, and you can take also basmati rice. Okay, so the recipe is that you can just take rice and you can use these two ingredients like rosemary leaf powder. This is the rosemary leaf powder, and the second thing is flax seeds powder. It is optional, you can use it, but I am just going to tell you that it will enhance the strength of this water. Okay, so what to do? See, both ingredients like rosemary leaves powder and flaxseed powders are very beneficial for hair growth. So it's up to you, you can use it or not. So recipe is that you have to take 1 bowl water, lukewarm water. You will add 2 tablespoon rice in this water. I have already ground rosemary leaves in the grinder to prepare this recipe, and the next ingredient is flaxseed. Okay, so I have already ground these two ingredients, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rosemary powder, and the second is 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder. You can rinse the rice first, and this removes dirt and chemicals through. Mix it very well, stir it and leave it for overnight. Why overnight soaking is important? Because when rice is soaked overnight, its nutrients are released better. It becomes fermented slightly, which means it becomes more powerful. Fermented rice water has more inositol and vitamins. This helps hair even more. So remember, don't skip the overnight step. What's rice water? First of all, what is the rice water? Understand it. Rice water is the water left after soaking or boiling rice. It looks cloudy or milky in color, but it is full of nutrients and it is full of vitamins like vitamin B and E, minerals like magnesium and zinc. Last step, you have to strain this water in the morning. Discard this mixture and save this water. You can store this water in the fridge for 5 days or pour it into a spray bottle for easy use. You must be thinking that how to use it. There are two simple ways to use rice water. First, when you wash your hair with shampoo, normally, then pour rice water on your hair slowly and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it off with plain water. Do this once or twice a week. And the second step is that when you wash your hair with shampoo, and you have to just fill a spray bottle with the rice water and spray it lightly on your scalp and hair. You don't need to wash it off. Okay, and you can use it daily or 2 to 3 times a week. It works as a natural conditioner. Let's talk about some other benefits of rice water. Rice water helps hair grow faster because it improves blood circulation in the scalp. The nutrients in rice water make hair roots stronger. And the other is, if your hair breaks easily or falls a lot, rice water can help reduce this problem. It strengthens the hair from root to tip. After using rice water, your hair looks shiner and feels softer. Also becomes easier to manage and comb. And if you use heat straightener or have dried, frizzy hair, rice water repairs it naturally. The proteins in it fills in the gaps in damaged hair. Rice water has cooling and soothing effects. It can reduce itchiness and dandruff too. Now I'm going to share some tips for best results. To get the best results, follow these steps. Use only plain rice water. Don't add oil or shampoo to it. Always use clean, filtered, and sweet water. Save the rice water in a clean container. And don't use very strong fermented rice water. Okay, and try it once a week in the beginning and see how your hair reacts. If you get any itching or irritation, stop using it. Some questions arise in your mind like, can I use cooked rice water? Yes, but raw soaked rice water is better for hair. Cooked rice water is thicker and harder to apply. Second question can be like this, like how many times a week should I use rice water? 1 to 2 times a week is enough. Don't overdo it. Okay, and you can also think like this, does rice water have any side effects? Not usually, but if your scalp is sensitive, it might cause dryness. Try a patch test before full use. And you must be thinking like that, can I use it on oily or dry hair? Yes, rice water suits for all hair types. Just adjust the amount according to your hair type. Here I wanna give you some extra tips for hair health. Along with rice water, you can follow these simple tips to keep your hair healthy. Oil your hair once or twice a week with coconut or castor oil. Eat a healthy diet with fruits, vegetables, and protein. Drink enough water daily. Avoid too much heat, styling, and harsh shampoos. Don't comb wet hair roughly. Natural remedies work better when your lifestyle is healthy too. You must be thinking how long to see results. Rice water is natural, so it takes some time. Most people start seeing changes after 2 to 4 weeks. Hair feels smoother, falls less, and becomes shiny. But everyone's hair is different, so be patient. Use it regularly for best results. Rice water has been used in Asia for centuries. Japanese women in ancient times used rice water to keep their hair long and healthy. So it's not a new trick, it's a tested home remedy. I'm sure now you know how to make rice water the right way, why soaking overnight is so important, and what amazing benefits it gives to your hair. Try it for a few weeks and see the magic. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Lively English Content for more easy and useful home remedies. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.